The head of one of the most safety-obsessed AI labs just said he's fine with giving models away for free. He's scared of something else entirely. Four things today: a monster context window, the open weight fight everyone's having, some tools worth a glance, and one just for fun distraction. Kimi K3 ships with a 256,000 token context window. That's not a bigger chat box. That's an entire code base fitting into a single prompt. Picture dumping every paper on your desk into one giant pile instead of folders. That's what I did with a whole repo once. Buried the answer in noise and lost an afternoon. More room doesn't mean less mess. My honest take: open weight releases have taught me more than closed ones ever have, even with the real geopolitical risk people are raising. Here's the trick. It's not that this model remembers more. It's that remembering stops being the bottleneck at all. Clean. Reactions range from real excitement to cool. Now how do I write test cases for that? Half the internet just wants something that fits on their laptop again. A few smaller things worth knowing: a new dev tool called Tweaker, a clever reverse Minesweeper build, an actually repairable GPS watch, and a physics result that's got muon researchers rechecking old data. If you're prepping for interviews, don't skim 10 topics. Pick one weak spot and give yourself a real number to hit, like 5 problems in under 20 minutes each. Concrete targets beat vague review. This week in one line, models are getting bigger, the open weight argument isn't going away, and the best prep still comes from picking a target and hitting it. You survived the whole video. Survive 2 more clicks? Like, subscribe.